Welcome to our channel, Twitch Giving You Problems. Follow these troubleshooting steps to fix streaming errors and viewing issues. Step 1. Check Twitch server status immediately. Visit twitchstatus.com to see if there are widespread service issues. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. If using browser, clear Twitch-related data to resolve loading problems. Step 3. Disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers and other extensions can interfere with Twitch functionality. Step 4. Update graphics drivers on computer. Outdated drivers can cause video playback and streaming issues. Step 5. Lower stream quality settings. Click the gear icon on video player and select lower quality if buffering. Step 6. Check internet speed and stability. Run speed tests to ensure sufficient bandwidth for streaming or viewing. Step 7. Try different browser or app. Switch between browser, desktop app, or mobile to identify platform-specific issues. Step 8. Reset router and modem. Unplug for 30 seconds, then reconnect to refresh your internet connection completely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.